Welcome back. Let's continue from where we stopped. So this is what we're trying to model. We're going to put in this top detail instead. Okay, so let's dive straight into it. All right, so first and first, we're going to add an edge that goes across here. We're done with this. So let's see. Okay, I'll go to my edges. I'm going to add edge loop. Okay, so Alt 1, as it's a custom, Alt 1. Okay, or you can click here. Sometimes it takes time to show. You can click there, and here we have the swift loop. Okay, Alt 1, you can always. So I can click it and add one somewhere. I think, let's see. Okay, got the space in there. I think my door was too short, but it's fine. Then check that there. Then I'm good to go. So at this point, I think we increase my top, increase it like so, or instead of doing this, I could rather come to my edges. Just double click, push it down, then come here. Then for this, I'm going to attach them. So click this, okay, click this, come to here in the right place. Make sure you are in your edit poly, not in your sub object. Go to attach and attach to this, and you're good. Okay, so I can just push this down. Okay, so I'm going to be using the top. So look at this, we're having, a hole there, more like an extrusion. So I'm going to insert the top, click my polygon, come out, click this, click polygon, click this. I'm going to insert like so. Okay, let's see. Okay, then now okay, let's insert all the way. Then I'm going to extrude till I have what I'm looking for, and that's that. Don't make the mistake of extruding twice. Okay, so Alt W. I think I'll go back to my forward view. W. I think what do I need to do? So if you look at this carefully, we have a cut here. So let's see how we can come about that. So Alt W. First of all, I could come here to see what's going on. So if you observe this, this is a polygon I just drew. Alright, so we need to make a cut here. So for that, I think this should go up a bit. I would move this upward a bit. Okay, now at this point, I'm going to click my edges, click this edge, click this, click this, click this, and okay, for me to succeed in what I'm about to do, I think let's see. Okay, this should go in a bit too. Yeah, so click polygon. This should go in a bit. Let's see. This should likely go in a bit like this. Okay, yeah, left, sorry. Yeah, so this should go in a bit like this. Okay, I think this is fine. Then I'll need probably an edge loop inside here. Okay, all right, so for that to occur seamlessly, let's see if we can go to our edge loop Alt 1. So you can see now this edge loop, it's inside, so I can just click that there and Alt 1 to come out. So what you want to do is, let's go to our Alt W. Now back to my edges, right? This, now this particular one here, it's the edges that's outside. Okay, and this particular one here is the one inside. So we want both of them to be on the same line. So basically I could just push this down. Okay, hope you can see the red line. Push this down. So with that now, this line inside and the one outside are on the same, this line here and the one outside are on the same spot, or point rather. So go to my edges, click this, hold down Control, click this, and click this, and go to connect. Okay, go to connect. So I'm going to connect this. Okay, so we're having this now. Let's see if we could even do, okay, let's just do one. Okay, then so let's move this forward like so, maybe to mimic this. Okay, let's move it forward somewhere here, maybe here. So we're going to duplicate this, hold down my shift and duplicate. I think, okay, would that be possible? I don't think that is possible actually. So we have to connect again and draw another. Alright, so click, hold down Control, click, okay. I could then connect. Then in that case, move this down here. But if you observe, I'm having an issue. What is the issue? Very simple. Look at the issue here. Okay, this is bending this way. So to correct this, all I need to do is if you click this now and you look at your value of y, okay, I could just click this, go to my orthographic view. Okay, see the one in front here, see the one behind, which is this here. So I could just move it to be in same line with the one at the back. That is the importance of the orthographic view and viewing in wireframe mode. So you can be able to vet if things are lined up the same way or in the same line. You can see, look at it updating here. So I could just move this. Now the same line, come here, Alt W. So I could do what I want to do now. Go to my polygon, click this, okay, click this, and delete. So next thing is to bridge them, okay, because now you're having holes inside, which is not what you want. So what I will do next is come to my edges, okay, click this and this, and hit my bridge, which is this. Okay, so now I have a face. I can hit that there. Okay, so same thing, edges. Don't forget you hit the opposite. Click the opposite, this and this. So I'm going to bridge. Do the same for this. Click this and click this. I'm going to bridge again. Okay, so from this we are done with the top. Yeah, we're completely done with the top. So what next? The next thing is this, and this. Okay, So we are going to begin with the ladder. Alright, we're going to begin with the ladder here. So let's see. For the ladder, we'll come in here. We're going to, I'll make the ladder straight, standing on the floor. Then from there, we're going to rotate it. So I'm going to draw, come back to my standard primitives, a box, still auto grading. Draw something very small. Maybe this is even too big. Of course, we're trying to mimic a ladder, so maybe we can go in and make it small. Okay, I'm scaling down. Let's see. I think this should fly. Okay. It should fly. So next thing is I'm going to click this, duplicate this, hold down my shift and just drag this to the side like so. Okay, instance should fly. Instance, okay. Let's see something here. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll need to draw, you know, let's see, all of this. So I think my ladder is too thin, but hope you get the idea. Okay, so I'm going to draw a box. This box is, I will auto grid it. Okay, most importantly, I will auto grid. It's going to be a box, and let me auto grid it. Okay, so it's auto grid. Bring it out. Where am I really auto grading? Okay, not here. So I have to really okay, same thing is happening. Okay, let's, okay, what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to isolate this. So click and isolate. Alright, so let's see. This is your isolate button. Click again. I don't think to have any option at this point. Okay, let's see. We're having some issues. Okay, what we can do is look at the the gizmo. Okay, make sure it's facing the right direction. We want this to face the front, so we just come here. We hold down left mouse button. Keep dragging here. Move our hand, and we have a box there. Okay, so this is on the surface. We might want this to be smaller, so let's convert this to a table poly. Or we could just do it directly here. Let's just do it at the object level. We don't need to go into the sub-object level, so let's drag this down. Let's move this up. Maybe a bit. Maybe like this too. Okay, so we're having this now. So next thing I'm going to do is I'll push this down. Duplicate, hold down my shift, duplicate. I think this is a good distance. I will use instance, and I'll need like close to, let me use 12 copies. If it's too much, I delete. Okay, so I don't need this and this. So don't forget, when I duplicated, I use instance and number of copies there. So that's what I'm having. So to finish this up, okay, I'm going to click this, come to my modifying panel. I think I'll have to convert this to editable poly to be able to attach. So right click, convert to editable poly. So right now I can come down, find my attach. Okay, go in, click this, click, you can see how it's attaching there from here. Click. So with this now, here I have ladder. I can now click here to show everything, and then Alt W. I think I'm going to use reference which view. Okay, yeah, I'm referencing. I think I'll need my two-way view at this point. Okay, here I'm going to be having my, I think, front view. Sorry, front view. Okay, so I can come in here, hit this. So if I rotate, it's going to be rotating from this axis. I think it's cool. Now let me explain why. If, let's say, if your pivot point is not here, let me explain that. You can come here to move your pivot upright, click Affect Pivot Only, and then you can move your pivot upward here. Let's say this, then uncheck this. When you hit to rotate, it's going to be rotating from this point. So it's going to be leaving the floor. Are you there? But now, for the fact that I had my pivots on the floor, okay, when I rotate, it's going to be rotating, keeping it on the floor. Sorry. You have to be very careful. Okay, uncheck this, sorry. It's going to rotate like this, maintaining contact with where the pivot is. So I'm going to be looking at this here until it intersects accurately. Watch. I can zoom in. This is the point I'm looking at. Okay, and right click so that I'll not deselect. And just be careful. Okay, I can come into my Y value here, and let's push it a bit. And maybe tweak this a bit from here. Okay, so let's see, Alt W. Alright, so this is exactly what I need. Sorry. Okay, then it's already a piece, so I can just click this and move it to the other side, to this side. Ctrl S, move it to the side. So basically, we are now having this. Okay, so we've spent 17 minutes already. In the next class, we're going to be modeling this and probably this. Okay, so see you in the next class. Thank you.